Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start our chapter number 2 for grade 2 English. And what's the name of your chapter number 2? On a picnic. We have done the reading session and now we will start the grammar and exercise. Okay, you have to open your page number 12. Now let's see the conversation. This is a butterfly. This is a red butterfly. You can see the butterfly. This is a butterfly. This is a red butterfly. Is that a yellow bird? No, it isn't. That's a blue bird. Is this a brown rabbit? Is this a brown rabbit? Yes, it is. And that is a white dog. And that is a white dog. Okay, in the bottom you can see that comma s. You can write it in the both forms, that is and is not. Okay, when you point out something which is nearby you, okay, we will use this is, which the thing we are near that are nearby you can use this, and the things that are far away from you, what you will use that. You can see the butterfly is near to the girl, so she used this is a butterfly. And you can see in the next picture the bird is far away, so the girl used that. Is that a yellow bird? Okay, now let's see the grammar. This is a bird. That's a blue bird. This is a bird. That's a blue bird. Is this a flower? Is that a cloud? When you change the statement in the question form, what you will do, you will use the helping verb in the starting of the sentence. Okay? Is this a flower? Is that a cloud? Is this a flower? Yes, it is. Is that a cloud? No, it isn't. Okay, now open your page number 13. You can see the pictures and let's start reading the conversation. These are green trees. Those are white clouds. Are these white ducks? Yes, they are white ducks. Are those black horses? No, they aren't. Those are grey horses. Okay, now let's see. In the previous page, in page number 12, we learned the use of this and that. Now we will discuss these and those. We will replace this with these and those with that with those. When we will use these and those, when the things are more, okay, we use this and that for singular and those and these for plurals. Green trees. Trees are more, so the boy used these. Clouds are in large numbers, so he used those are white clouds. You can see duck. There are 2 ducks, so the boy used these. Okay, now let's see the grammar. This is a tree. That is a cloud. These are trees. Those are clouds. Is will be changed in are, and this will be converted into these. That will be converted into those, and is converted into are. Are these red flowers? Yes, they are. Are those yellow ducks? No, they aren't. Now this is an activity on your page number 14. You have to listen, write and match. In the first line there are sounds. Okay, you have to recognize these sounds with the pictures and then complete the spellings. Okay, the first one is it's a lock. Okay, the next is a cow, socks, box, queen and fox. You can match the words and then complete the spellings. First one is fox, second one is socks, socks. Next is box, queen, and this is cow, and the last one is lock. This is an activity on page number 14. Look and write. These are the pictures. There are 4 pictures and you have to match the sentences. Tick the sentences. The first one is a hand and he is holding a red apple. This is a red apple. It's a single apple now, one apple. So what do we will use? This is a red apple. And in the next picture the boy is pointing out the tree that is far from him, so that's a green tree. Okay, next is the two birds. So what we do, we will use these are blue birds. In the fourth picture there are 2 flowers, so those are red flowers. Okay, there's another activity on your page number 15. It's very easy. Read and match. You can read the colors. These are the colors, and you can match them. The first one is yellow. The banana is yellow. The second one is red. The apple is red. Green leaf is green. Brown, the dog is brown. Blue, the car is blue. And pink, the ice cream is pink. On page number 15 there's another activity. Look and write. There's a hand holding a butterfly, so it's very easy. This is a butterfly. You have to write the sentence over here. This is a butterfly. In the next picture you can see there's a hand pointing towards the clouds, so those are clouds. Number 3, those are ducks. The hand is holding flowers, तो क्या है आएगा? These are the flowers. These are flowers. In case of any query, you are welcome to send a text on school's contact number. We will address your queries there. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.